Hello, back at the Arlington Pop Top renovation. A lot has happened since I last posted. We've got this project almost done. We're at the punch list things. We've got a couple of things. We've got the faucets to put in, a couple plumbing fixtures, a couple electrical fixtures, a bunch of punch list things, and then final paint touch-ups. So let's take a tour and see where we're at. Coming into the main level, we shifted this big picture window over to center with the exterior. Down in the right-hand side, we put in a 5-foot Pella window, refinished the floors, painted, installed crown molding, took the stair rail apart and stained it to match the floor. Kitchen, basically not much that we did in here. We stepped through the ceiling, so we patched the ceiling. The back room, we painted a new color. And then going upstairs, refinished the floors. These things are beautiful. Have this new steel guardrail in. We did it vertically instead of horizontally because the existing guardrail down below is vertical. Still need to put in our HVAC registers. Skylight's really made a big difference in here. We've taken the film off of the windows, so now it's a lot brighter in here. Beautiful ceiling fan with a light. Our blue wall is awesome. The back bedroom. Oops. And then we have our study in here. Another ceiling fan. And the master, we've got ceiling fan in, and we're putting a barn door in that's going to, as we go back, it's just we decided to have a little bit of fun with this. Then we are here, got our closet. We had to pull the backsplash out because we were lowering it down to 10 inches. It was too high once we put the mirror in. And we've got the shower in place and the built-in shelving. So that's where we are. The main holdup we have right now is really getting the power here. Have any questions? Feel free to drop me a note, DM, whatever. Till then, take care.